Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where x cube plus 5x is equal to 18. Okay, or x cube plus 5x. Now taking this positive 18 to left side, we will get negative 18 is equal to 0, or x cube plus 5x minus, now this 18 can be written as 8 plus 10 is equal to 0, or x cube plus 5x minus plus is minus 8, minus times plus is minus 10 is equal to 0, or now rearranging left sides, we can write here x cube minus 8 plus 5x minus 10 is equal to 0, or now we can write here x cube minus 8 can be written as 2 cube plus 5x minus 10 is equal to 0, or now we know that a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Now apply this formula here. We can write x minus 2 times x square. Now x times 2 is plus 2x. Now 2 square, that means 4, plus, now taking common 5, we will get x minus 2 is equal to 0, or now taking common x minus 2, here we will get x square plus 2x plus 4, and here we will get plus 5 is equal to 0, or x minus 2 times x square plus 2x plus 5 plus 4 is plus 9 is equal to 0. Then from here we have two cases, so we can write here x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x square plus twice x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now taking this negative 2 to right side, we will get the first value of x1 is equal to 2, and this is a real solution. Now here we can use quadratic formula, so we can write here x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over twice a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 9, or x is equal to minus b, that means 2, so we can write here 2 plus or minus square root of b is 2, so 2 square minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 9 all over 2 times 1, or x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 square, that means 4, minus 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 9 is 36 over 2 times 1 is 2, or x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 36 is negative 32 over 2, or x is equal to negative 2 plus or minus square root of, now we can write here 16 times 2 times negative 1 over 2, or x is equal to negative 2 plus or minus, here we will get 4 square root of 2I over 2 is equal to, taking common 2, here we will get negative 1 plus or minus 2 square root of 2I over 2, these two cancel out these two, so finally we will get the value of x2 is equal to negative 1 plus 2 square root of 2i, and x3 is equal to negative 1 negative 2 square root of 2i. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.